how to change alarm sound in Google Home. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to change the alarm sound in Google Home. So in order to do this, I have actually provided you with this particular field or this particular information. So first of all, what you could do is you could do a lot of stuff with this alarm. So here's some example, that is, hey Google, set your alarm at whatever time you want. Well, basically what you need to do is, in order to change the sound, you need to just say, hey Google, set metallic alarm for tomorrow 7 a.m. Now likewise, it could be a song as well. So whatever music that you prefer, you could go ahead and set it up, or else you could also get the other options like that. And if you prefer radio, you could also try, hey Google, set Wild Rock radio alarm for 8 a.m. or whatever. So you can experiment and name any band, singers, or composer from your music alarm. So also you could choose any radio station you like, so just make sure you are using the proper name when you just saying the voice. So this way you'll be able to customize the sound. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.